In this GamerSaloon review, I'm going to be showing you a website and an app which claims that you could be making money by playing games on this particular app. So make sure you guys stay to the end of this review as I'm going to show you if GamerSaloon is worth your time. If you're new to my channel, my name is Vijay Koshi. I'm a 7-figure affiliate marketer. I do these reviews every single day so that you can get the best ideas about new websites, software and courses. If you want to get my number one recommended strategy that has personally helped me to go from 0 to 5,000 to $10,000 per month, you can click the first link in the description. It's a free affiliate marketing guide. So GamerSaloon is not your typical gaming website or a gaming app. So usually if you play games and make money, it's only going to be a few cents every single hour that you play. So I have reviewed a lot of these gaming website and gaming apps, and most of them pay a very few cents for every hour that you play. So you have to probably play like 10 hours in order for you guys to make like $1. So that's how a typical gaming website or app works, and after you make that $1 you might even not able to withdraw it. So that's that's how the general gaming websites and all of that work. But for GamerSaloon, it's not typically the case. This is one particular app in which you could be making a lot more money, but it has a con to its side. But still, you could be making way more money. I'm going to discuss all the cons soon. And guys, you could be downloading in the App Store and the Android as well, so you don't have to worry. So this is how the interface looks like. It's pretty clean and it's actually good looking. They have almost $91 million plus prizes that has been awarded, so that's also great. And this website has been there for quite a long time. It's there since 2006, so you don't have to worry about the legitimacy of the app or anything like that. It has been there for a while, and you could be playing a lot of game like Madden 24, FC24, UFC 4, WW 2K23, you have Warzone 2.0, then you have PGA 2K 23, Apex Legends. So all these popular games you could be playing, and if you win it, you will get your money. So let me tell you how it works. So you're going to be finding all this video game tournament, and you have to join this tournament. And one thing I forgot to mention is that you have to put in your own money in order to win more money. So for example, NHL 25, so this is a tournament. It's a PS5 tournament, and you're going to win $10 or 9 euros and 18 cents. So this is what you're going to win. And for you guys to enter, free entry fee is $3, and 4 people could play this. So it's going to be an individual game, or maybe it's a 2-player game. But at the end of the day, 4 people have to pay $3 to get into the gaming. And also the website will take like 14%. So you have to pay $3 plus 14% of the $3. So it's going to be 3.50 cents you have to pay total. So that's how the website also make money. And after you enter with $3, and if you were the one who win out of these 4 people, you could be getting the whole $10. So that's how it works. So it's not that easy. Don't think it's like really easy to make money here, but there are a lot of people that make a lot of money. So if you look at this one, it pays you up to $40. So that's great. Only 2 people are the seats, so you have to pay like $22 in order for you guys to get in. So $22 plus 14% fee, and if you were able to win, you could be getting like $40. So that's how the tournament works, and this is how most people make money. And to be honest, if you are an advanced level gamer, like if you really know what you're doing, and if you can really play and show your skills, if you have been playing games your whole life, this is for those people. But if you're an intermediate player, or if you're a beginner player, I don't think it's that easy to make money, because most people that come to this website are extremely professionals and they know what they are doing. So my suggestion, if you're a beginner, what you have to do is you have to choose profile of players that actually have a lot of losses and they don't have much wins. So you have to choose those type of people and you have to play with them. So that's the only way you could be, winning games. But if you get up with a professional, it's not that easy because they know what they are doing. You could be actually betting for $100, $500, even $1,000. So it's not these small amounts over here. You could be betting for way more, but the entry fee is obviously going to be high. So you can see all of the tournament, you have $100 here. So you could be betting for a lot of money. It just depends. You could be betting for 100, 200, sometimes you can even $300. So you could be making money, but it all depends on your skills. But at the end of the day, GamerSaloon, it's a gambling. It's more like gambling because it's not sure that you will make money. But in my suggestion, I think if you love gaming and if you want to spend some money, and if you don't really mind spending some money and playing games, maybe if you're okay with losing a few dollars, I mean, who's gonna care if you lose like $5.50? It doesn't really matter, right? So if you are that kind of person, I would say go for it. But if you are a beginner or an intermediate player looking to make money on this website, I don't think it's your way to go for it, because the tournaments are going to be very hard and it's not going to be that easy to win the game. So that's what I would like to tell about GamerSaloon. And for the withdrawal part, you could withdraw it through your bank account and also through an express PayPal. So suppose if you want your money today itself, you will have to pay like $10 fee in order for you guys to withdraw through PayPal. But if you want to do it with bank transfer, it's going to cost you only $3 fee. So, but the bank transfer takes place every week. But if you want an express PayPal delivery, you have to pay like $10. So if you could wait a week, you only need to pay like $3. If you actually compare the withdrawal fee and the entry fee is actually very low compared to the people that is actually making like a lot of money in this website. So which is why you see the express delivery so high, because people are actually making money on this website. So, and also I have checked into some of the reviews in the App Store and Google Play Store. So I have seen all the reviews and most of them say that they are finding glitch in this website. So sometimes they might think you are not a legitimate player and they will just ban you instantly. So those are some of the problems people are facing. And if you're facing that kind of issue, you will have to contact their customer care, and sometimes their customer care doesn't reply. So those are some of the issues people are facing. And to be honest, it really depends. It depends if you're lucky or not. If you're lucky, you won't find these glitches. And sometimes they ban people thinking that they are scammers. So even though they are not scammers, but it really depends. I hope their system doesn't misunderstand you. So some people are finding problems like that, but most people, they have like 5-star reviews, but some of the 1-star are people that facing glitch. So you have to take this with a pinch of salt. If you want to go ahead and try GamerSaloon, you can go for it. So that's basically it for this review. And if you're still watching this video and if you don't want to gamble your money on this gaming website or app, if you're that kind of person, if you're a beginner, if you're an intermediate, or if you generally don't want to spend money on gaming, I would like to suggest you my personal strategy. It's an affiliate marketing guide. It's actually free. If you want to check it out, you can check it out by clicking the first link in the description. And you can also check into my #1 recommended system. So that's basically it. And I hope to see you on another review video. Take care.